Yo, what is up everyone? Today, it is a new thing. We are playing VR again. Yes, I know I didn't upload the Bendy into Dark Revival Chapter 4, but this is not the point. Today, we are gonna defeat the Shadow Boss for the new Animal Blocks, was it right?
No, it's Animal Company.
Yeah. But was it the blocks? I mean for the blocks, like, you know, the blocks that we have if
Mine?
we defeat him. Yeah, no, I mean the blocks we're getting if we defeat him.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
Yes,
that.
guys, that's it.
Now, let's go into first person mode. I'm gonna put this now in first person mode, guys. Just so you know. First person mode it is.
Alright, come on, guys, let's just go.
Let's go. Wait, we need to. Oh! Yo, wait, I just flew out of the map. I'm back.
Alright, Ben, let's go.
Let me just. Yo, give me one. I only have one research point.
Alright, I got you.
I got it for the left hip slot. Like.
Stop doing that.
Ooh.
We got it here.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah,
take
and I'll
two.
bring this. Okay, come on, let's go.
Wait, where did it go? Why did it?
It doesn't go in your back.
Sad.
Yo, bro. Yo, look
Come
at
on,
this.
let's go.
Bro.
Oh my Jesus Christ! I know. Let's go. So I'm very heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna defeat the boss. I don't know how I'm gonna
We
defeat
got
the
this,
boss.
bro, don't worry.
Because I'm too heavy. Guys, wait! I'm too heavy!
I'm sorry.
Ah!
Okay, yo, go straight down the middle.
Wait! I'm too heavy! I hate it.
Oh.
Let's go down here.
Yeah, go down.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yo, everybody watch out. Don't. You're hitting me. Okay, so we're, yo, chill, bro.
I'm trying to open this, I'm sorry.
Die. There's no,
Wait, a friend of mine is calling me.
I think I accidentally killed somebody. I'm trying to mine, but mine's a sword and I might kill somebody. Can you please? Oh
Yo,
my
guys,
God,
wait
so
here.
much
Wait.
We're almost here already.
Guys, wait. I need. Someone is calling me. A friend of mine.
Alright, hold on. Hello?
Yo, hello?
Ow.
Yo, bro, I cannot talk right now because I'm making a video about Animal Company. Do you know this game?
First
I'm
game
playing.
ever.
I'm playing the game right now, so I can't. I'm so sorry. I hope it's okay for you. Yeah, you can join. But wait a minute. We are not friends in the game.
Tell them about the code shark.
Wait. What is it?
Shark. The code is
It's
shark.
shark. The code is shark.
No.
Yeah, we're in the mines trying to go to the Shadow Boss.
Oh, yeah.
It's like shark. Just shark.
Yeah, like a shark.
Yeah. Yo. Okay, now.
Yo,
see
don't
you
kill
later.
him, bro.
Okay, bye. Let me just do something really quick, guys, and then I'm back in the game. Where are you?
Yo, bro,
Oh, no.
everybody has to subscribe to him, bro.
Oh,
He's
and
the
guys,
best YouTuber.
make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell. Oh, carrots! I got carrots! What? Where do those carrots go?
So wait, when are you gonna post it today or like a
It
couple
will
days?
take very long. Oh wait, I got the carrot. Let me just eat it.
It'll take very long.
Yeah, because my headset is a Quest headset.
What? Yeah, mine too.
My headset is a Quest 2.
I'm gonna die. Guys, stop. I'm gonna die.
Just go back up. Yes! What's that
How
door?
many company coins do you guys have?
I have, I already wasted mine. Guys, come on! It's right here, yeah. Ouch. Yeah. So.
Yeah, bro, let's go. Wait, so like,
Ouch. So guys, just so you know, it will take long and I'm so sorry. Oh hell no. We need to go fast. Go. Yo, help!
yo, where's that motherfucker at? Where's that motherfucker at?
He's killing me!
Yo, and it's also family friendly too.
Yeah, I know. You just... Oh.
I killed him. Oh, RPG. What is this?
Guys! Guys, come on! Ow!
No, hey, I'm stuck.
I'm gonna die.
Yo, don't hit him, bro.
Let me do this now.
Yo, let him do it.
I wish we had more carrots.
Move.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
That hurt, bro. What did you do that mean?
Because I didn't
Yo, my name is Dubby, by the way. Guys, if you want to add me, and if I'm in a public
Why
room, my
are
name
you?
is Dubby.
Why are you getting in the way? Climb back up, please.
Like that. So why is there a diamond on the ground, little Chloe?
Wait, go. Go, go, go. No, 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 no. Don't go down. I hear it.
My headset is about to die.
Well, it's okay, it's okay. You'll still be in the video because I'm. Get away, get away.
Yeah. I'll still be in video W, bro.
Am I getting closer? Guys, I'm getting closer. Go, 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 go. No. Why did you? I told you to not come in front of me. Guys,
Did you
come
kill
on.
him?
Sadly. Yes.
Nothing. Go. Go. It's right here.
No, 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 wait.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Go.
Let's go to the shadow boss. I didn't have any weapons. I don't have any weapons. I need a weapon. I need a weapon. Come on.
So low, guys, get it.
I'm gonna die. I need a weapon. Hurt him, come on. Oh God, no. No, no. Guys, hurt him, hurt him, hurt him. Come on.
No, give me the sword that you have. Give me the sword. Give me the sword. Give me the sword.
Take it. Guys, we're gonna die.
Go, we're killing.
Yes, we did. We did. Yes, guys.
Oh my God! Yo, what is this?
They look cool. They look so cool. Yes.
Purple, you can't hide the fact that you...
Come on. Come on. Let's go back.
Yeah, we got guys. I'm on guys.
Why is he getting rapidly slower to me?
I need one.
No, YouTuber, I want to show you guys. I want to show you. Look, guys, this is a new item.
Yeah, I know.
QB
That's why we were here.
Tiger.
So this is the new item, guys, as you can see. And you can build a lot of stuff with this. Maybe a mech head. Like the Transformer heads, you know? And everyone
Yep,
who has
guys.
seen this right now, you have very much luck. And yeah. Come on.
Hey, we're gonna...
Go to the picture. Come on, guys. I'm gonna show the camera.
Oh, Sid, I want to say something to you. You know what's going on today.
Come on.
Well,
No,
that's
no,
the
I'm
end of
right
the
here. I'm right
video.
here. Come on. Come on, right here. Right here.
QB's, bro.
Hey, bro. The other one. Come on.
This is the thing.
Purple.
No, he knows, he knows. They know already. So these were the new updates, guys. And I'm very thankful
Purple, you're
to
not slick.
everyone who has subscribed to me. I hope you still subscribe to me. And yeah. Bye.